all, just doing a real quick video on the Book of Matches 50 a pack. So you see the 50 pack right here, but what I wanted to be able to do is just show you a quick video on how easy it is to open these matchboxes, which is very, very, very convenient. Basically, all you have to do is hold the matchbook with your, with both hands. With your right hand, use your pointer finger and your thumb, and then for your left hand, use your pointer finger and your thumb, and then all you do is just push it back and it easily opens. So let me show you what I mean. Alright, so here it is. Here's the pack here, and what's nice about it is, like I said, you use your thumb and your pointer, for both hands, and you go on and just push it back and it opens up. See? Very convenient. Do it again. There, see? Thank you so much for watching.